If you need to install some metal fence posts, there are several ways you can do it. One of them I don't recommend is using any type of large sledgehammer, because I guarantee you swinging this at the top of this fence post, there's a very good chance this is going to miss on a few occasions, and that'll easily break your legs or your feet when they come in contact. Don't do that. And if by chance you do use a sledgehammer and you somehow don't hit yourself, I can almost guarantee you the top of your fence post, well, it's going to look really mangled. What I do recommend is a fence post driver. This is purposely built to put those metal fence posts in the ground real quickly and real easily. This driver is built with two handles, one on each side, so you know you can get a nice firm grip whenever you're using it. This particular one weighs 16 pounds, so every time you hit the post, it drives it in a good ways each time. Now let me take this fence post outside and I'll show you how it works. Position your fence post in place, take your driver, slide it over top, and start hammering it down. And you want to hammer that post in until it's about even with the top of your fence. Now always make sure that you hammer a fence post in about 2 feet into the ground before you stop. And I almost forgot to tell you, make sure that the little ribs on your post are on the side that's facing the fence, so that as it is attached, it'll hold nice and tight to the fence. Then you can use some of these T-post clips to attach your fence to your post.